In the hyper-competitive world of Amazon selling, leveraging data and insights is paramount to making smart decisions and avoiding costly mistakes. Studies show that data-driven organizations are 3 times more likely to report significant revenue growth year over year. This is where PickFu's agile polling platform comes in for Amazon sellers. Alright, so let's jump into it, starting with me explaining what exactly PickFu is. What is PickFu polls? By utilizing PickFu's robust polling platform, sellers can gather valuable insights from a sample size of 50 people per poll. This allows for effective testing of variations in product design, copy, titles, images, and more. For more statistically significant data, increasing the sample size to 100 people is recommended. By employing different poll formats such as open-ended, ranking, and head-to-head, sellers can gather diverse perspectives and uncover usability problems. In fact, research by the Nielsen-Norman Group indicates that testing just 5 users can uncover 95% of usability problems, showcasing the power of PickFu's approach. Refining your product. Once the feedback is analyzed, sellers can iterate on their product to ensure it outperforms competitors. Additionally, testing the final product directly against competitors is crucial. A study by McKinsey revealed that businesses that regularly research their competitors experience 20% higher rates of growth and 30% higher profitability. So that really shows the value of this PickFu platform. By leveraging PickFu polls, sellers can gain a competitive edge by refining their products based on real-time market insights. The benefits of focus groups. In addition to PickFu polls, businesses can also benefit from utilizing focus groups as part of their product launch strategy on Amazon. Focus groups provide a platform for in-depth discussions and qualitative feedback from a carefully selected group of individuals who match the target market. This qualitative data can provide valuable insights into consumer preferences, motivations, and pain points. This allows businesses to tailor their product offering accordingly. According to a report by the American Marketing Association, focus groups offer several advantages for businesses, including enhanced understanding of consumer behavior. Focus groups allow businesses to delve deeper into the minds of their target audience, gaining a deeper understanding of their needs, desires, and purchasing decisions. Immediate feedback. Through real-time discussions, businesses can receive immediate feedback on their product concepts, packaging, and messaging, enabling them to make necessary adjustments before launching on Amazon. Generation of new ideas. Focus groups can spark new ideas and innovative solutions by encouraging participants to share their thoughts, experiences, and suggestions. Validation of product concepts. By presenting product concepts to focus group participants, businesses can validate their ideas and gain confidence in their potential success on the Amazon marketplace. Opportunity for market research. Focus groups can serve as a super valuable source of market research, providing businesses with insights into market trends, competitor analysis, and consumer preferences. The process of optimization. To maximize success on Amazon, the process of optimization involves several crucial steps. By testing concepts, refining the winning concept, testing packaging, visual designs, copywriting, testing against competitors, and finalizing the product that wins the polls, sellers can ensure their offerings are tailored to meet market demands. However, it is important to note that optimization should begin even before the launch. Utilizing free listing audits, kind of like what we offer at Evolve Media. If you want to get a free listing audit, go to emaamz.com. We'll also give you a free Amazon listing checklist. But anyway, by utilizing free listing audits and conducting competitive analysis, sellers can identify opportunities for improvement. A focus on improving conversion rates is particularly crucial. Statistics from WordStream reveal that the top 10% of landing pages convert at an impressive rate of 11.44 5%. The power of split testing. In the journey of launching new products on Amazon, split testing plays a vital role. This data-driven approach allows sellers to validate product market fit and ensure that their listings effectively convert browsers into buyers. Companies that actually utilize split testing are twice as likely to report a significant increase in sales. By prioritizing hard evidence over personal opinions, sellers can greatly reduce risk and make informed decisions that lead to higher sales and profitability. Common mistakes to avoid. As sellers embark on their Amazon journey, it is essential to avoid common mistakes that can hinder success. Capitalizing on the 30 to 45 day honeymoon phase, during which Amazon gives an advantage to test new product performance, is crucial. Running ads immediately at launch, focusing on launching too many products simultaneously, neglecting to gather reviews, and failing to optimize listings for Amazon shoppers are all pitfalls that should be avoided. By sidestepping these mistakes, sellers can position their brand for success in the competitive Amazon marketplace. Navigating the Amazon marketplace may present some serious challenges, but with the right strategies and tools, success is easily within reach. It's important to remember that the goal is not just to launch a product, but to launch a product that actually wins. By utilizing tools like PickFu polls to gather valuable insights and avoiding common mistakes, sellers can significantly increase their chances of achieving this goal, of winning on Amazon, By continually optimizing and refining their approach, sellers can stay ahead of the competition and maximize their success on Amazon. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. Hopefully you learned something new. Again, if you want to get a free listing audit, go to emaamz.com, and then on that consulting call, I will actually give you a free Amazon listing checklist, and I guarantee that you're going to get some massive value on a consulting call with me. Again, emaamz.com. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.